This weekend is Squadron Weekend at Kawau, which is where all the members come and use our outstation at Ladgard House. And it's all about having a party, having fun, getting to know your members and really enjoying things. It was a little breezy today, would be the best way to describe it. I think everybody had fun. It was a nice quick trip around the island. A lot of salt across the deck. That's what yachting's all about.
We had a wonderful day sailing on the Ranger today. I think we did pretty good. We'll wait for the results to come in, but I think we did pretty good.
I think the island itself is a great place to come here to experience the island, the harbour, and actually I really like to sail around the island to appreciate all of the other islands that are adjacent to it and the different conditions you get from flat rock on one side to motor aura on the other side. So yeah, just a huge variety of conditions.
We're at Squadron Bay in Kawau Island, Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron. Been a great weekend so far, plenty of breeze, good sailing, and we're here for a good party tonight.
Well, thank you all for being here.
So thanks to 36 Degrees for sponsoring our Squadron Weekend 2020. 36 Degrees doing a great job, and they were out there taking photographs today and being involved in the event.
Well, I definitely think that the racing cruising is improving. Like, a lot of more people want to be out on the water, so we're pretty driven to be a part of it. With 36, we're a young, vibrant team, and we're out to sort of change the game here in New Zealand and help people get into the boats that they're actually looking for. Not just the first one, but the right one.
If you weren't here this year, you need to come back next year, because it's a lot of fun.